Welcome to the Jive Basic tutorial. I have my beautiful student here to assist me, Adeline. She is going to help me teach you the Jive Basic step. Adeline, are we ready to show the Jive Basic step?
Yeah.
Let's go. And we have rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Very good. So to start, we have to shift our weight in the jive slightly forward, more towards the ball of the foot. So we are not straight and in no way are we backwards. So our weight is shifted forward so that we can be fast and efficient. Then we are going to start with the rock step. And for the rock step, ladies always start with the right foot. Adeline, please show. Rock, step, rock, step. Very good. And gentlemen always start with the left foot. Rock, step, rock, step. Very good. So now let's do the rock step together. Adeline, please stand sideways. And so we go one leg back, it straightens and the front leg bends. And we are on the ball of the foot. And then we straighten the front knee on two. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2, and we rock our hips. That's why it's called the rock step. And rock, step. So the back foot is flat and turned out, and the front foot is on the ball. Very good. Now let's show it the other way, Adeline. And we shift our weight forward, and we go rock, step, rock, step. Rocking our hips from side to side. Rock, step. Very good. Beautiful, Adeline. So then we have the triple step. And the timing of the triple step is 3/4, quarter one. That means the duration of time, how much you spent on each step. So we have 3/4, quarter one. 3/4, quarter one. 3/4, quarter one. Very good. 3/4, quarter one. So the footwork, we go ball, ball, flat. Ball, ball, flat. Ball, ball, flat. And as you see, our knees are working upwards on each step, on the rock step and on the triple step. Very good. Adeline, now let's show it together with the rock step. Are you ready? And we go rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Very good. Now we are ready to do this with the music. Yes, Adeline? Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. Rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. 3/4, quarter one. Triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Don't forget to rock your hips. Very good. You are doing great. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Very good. So that was Jive Basic step. Practice it and you will be so amazing at it. Bye!